I just wanted a clarification, if you don't mind, Ms. Bouchard. You said the CRTC may consider the subscription numbers confidential, but does it forbid you yourself from releasing the numbers, or is that your decision and your decision only for releasing them?
You're absolutely correct. It's not a ban on releasing information. It's just a matter of what are the conditions under which we are expected to negotiate with distributors. We have discussions with all sorts of distributors for our content, for our platforms, for our apps, and that creates a context where information may not be available to the people you're negotiating with.
So your lawyers today went to court trying to prevent the subscription numbers for CBC Gem. So, I mean, you were very active today, your organization, sending your lawyers ahead saying, no, we're not going to talk about subscription of CBC Gem. Why?
I restate my answer to your previous question. We are in the market negotiating with providers on a commercial basis for distribution. There's information that is sometimes sensitive in those negotiations. We have a regulatory body who recognizes that sensitivity and allows people, businesses that are in this market, to consider that information confidential. And we have an interpretation by the Information Commissioner that says that we have not met the standard for that confidentiality. We want reconciliation between those two interpretations. And that's why we asked the federal court to consider the situation.
Okay, you're right. The Information Commissioner a while ago asked for CBC to disclose that numbers. And I don't know what you're hiding. I really don't, because you're a public broadcaster. You're getting the funds from the public, and you're not in competition with Bell Media, Crave, or any of those. You're, you know, and I know the metrics of radio and TV and digital. I don't see the issue of CBC Gem not saying we own 1,500 subscribers. It's been going on for 6 years. I think that's the least. With your accountability and your transparency that you talk about on the 5-year plan.
I gave you a number earlier, which was 5.3 million accounts created. Okay.
Those are different than subscriptions.
I agree. They're different than paying subscriptions.
That's your time, Mr. Watt.